Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma. In this lesson, we will build a simple, detailed, and visual guide to AI governance. We will cover the 8 pillars, the tasks inside each pillar, and why each pillar matters. Pillar 1 is Data Catalog. This pillar is the library map for all data. It makes sure we know what data exists, who owns it, and how it is used. Here are the 8 core tasks inside this pillar. Pillar 2 is Audit Logs. Think of this as the system diary. It records every action so we can investigate mistakes and prove what happened. Pillar 3 is Compliance Tracking. This pillar is the rulebook checker. It ensures the AI follows laws and company policies at all times. Pillar 4 is Data Lineage. This pillar tracks the full history of data from the source to the final output, so we can trust where it came from. Pillar 5 is Metadata Management. Metadata means data about data. This pillar gives context and consistency, so the AI understands the meaning of the information it reads. Pillar 6 is Data Quality Checks. This is the filter that keeps bad data out. Good AI depends on clean, accurate, and consistent information. Pillar 7 is Data Security. This pillar is the shield that protects data from hackers, leaks, and misuse. Pillar 8 is Access Control. This is the VIP list for data access. It makes sure only the right people can see sensitive information. Now, let us summarize the math. We have 8 pillars, and each pillar has 8 tasks. So the total number of tasks is 8 times 8, which equals 64. We can also think of AI governance as a system. If we call the health of the system H, then it is the sum of all 8 pillars. If even one pillar is weak, the whole system becomes unstable. That is our complete guide. When all 8 pillars work together, AI could be safe, legal, and trustworthy. Thank you for learning with me.